next award is the TCT Automotive and Rail Application Award 2024. This category celebrates those who drive the future of transport with their innovative use of additive manufacturing. So, let us see who crossed the finish line first tonight. The highly commended project in this category is Iron Maven by Girl Gang Garage in partnership with Stratasy, Autodesk, Volvo, BASF and PADT. So there will be a certificate for you waiting on the stage afterwards. And now, to help me present the award, please join me in welcoming to the stage, on behalf of our sponsor, Formlabs, Danielle Martinelli. And now the winner of the TCT Automotive and Rail Application Award 2024 is Closed-Loop Motorsport Tooling by AirTech Advanced Materials Group in partnership with Oak Ridge National Laboratories, the Brumos Collection, and Verus Engineering.
Well, thank you. Apparently, I'm not in a black tie. Obviously, I'm not even an English speaker, so thank you very much. Thank you, AirTech, and thank you, everyone who were here. Thank you, and enjoy the night.